Hello and welcome to Module 4 Implications of the 2017-18 Budget to Improve Student Success. The budget measures have the potential to result in lower attrition and higher completion and retention rates. Examples of these measures are detailed below. These are taken directly from the higher education document that we've been discussing throughout this course. From the 1st of January 2018, Commonwealth support will be available to students at public universities in approved sub-bachelor courses, such as Certificate 4s, diplomas, and advanced diplomas. This aims to provide students with more choice to select the course that is right for them and to provide more support for underprepared students to transition to bachelor-level study. This policy recognises the importance of standalone paraprofessional or technical qualifications and the flexibility that shorter sub-bachelor courses allow in meeting workforce demand. Students could benefit through the budget measure to provide Commonwealth contributions to work experience in industry units that are credited towards a Commonwealth-supported qualification. This removes the disincentive that currently exists for institutions to offer degrees that include work experience in industry components. It is anticipated that regional students will be further supported through the establishment and maintenance of up to 8 new community-owned regional study hubs across mainland Australia. These hubs aim to give regional students the ability to study courses locally, delivered by distance from any Australian community. Acknowledging that success and retention rates for students from low socioeconomic SES backgrounds remain lower than those of all domestic students, the government hopes to give more incentives to institutions to assist less prepared students to succeed in higher education. The Higher Education Participation and Partnership Program, or HEP, will be reformed to deliver two components. The first is an access and participation fund that involves a loading for eligible low socioeconomic students with performance funding for improvements in success rates of low socioeconomic students and Indigenous students, and a national priorities pool. From the 1st of January 2019, the arrangements for enabling courses will also be overhauled, with a fixed number of enabling places to be allocated on a cyclical basis through a 3-year tender process. This will identify higher education providers which achieve high standards of academic preparation and deliver high-quality student outcomes, for example, measured by student completion rates or student success in further study. The discussion question this week is: which budget measures do you think are likely to be most challenging to implement and/or have the greatest chance of having a positive impact on retention? Further reading and resources will be provided on the Moodle site. Looking forward to seeing you all on the discussion forum. Have a great week.